After using Minea for over 2 months, I'm going to tell you if it's worth it or not, because there's so many platforms that claim to be the best dropshipping platform, the best this, the best. You gotta watch this video, because I'm going to be honest, because I've used this, and I'm going to let you know if this is something that you should implement to make more money with dropshipping. Because again, there's so many platforms out there, so watch this video. And if you have any questions, comment them down below. So if you just hopped on this and you're just doing research to find a platform that's good, well, let's talk about what Minea does, because you don't know if it's good or not without knowing what it does. Minea basically helps you make more money by making more sales for your dropshipping store. And the main way they do this is by letting you know what works in the market. A lot of people don't tell you how they're making money dropshipping. Obviously, anyone can build a store, anyone can get a good fulfiller like Zendrop, but not everyone can find winning creatives and run winning ads. And the reason why is because they don't know. But with Minea, that's exactly what they do. And when I first got on this platform, I was pretty surprised, because I used to go ahead and just find, winning content online by scraping, by finding high views, which, is a similar way to do it, but it's so slow, it's so time consuming, and you don't actually get as much data. So that's exactly what Minea does. So let me show you exactly what you have to do. If you don't already have Minea, then just get a free trial down below, and let's just talk about it, because this is exactly what I do. So I just hop into Minea, and then the second thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and find a winning product, because that's exactly what I actually use this for too. Usually I'll find a winning product using Minea, and then after I'll go ahead and find the winning ads for that said product. So Minea actually gives you a list of winning products each month. It's updated all the time. So if you don't like this list, then just wait a little bit and it'll get updated. So, and it tells you what's doing good, because they're not just going to tell you, oh, this is a winning product. It's based on facts. And that fact is the fact that someone else is putting a lot of money into advertising. Because let's keep it real. If you ran $100, or let's say you ran $10,000 of ads and you made $5, would you keep running those ads? No, you would stop. But if you made 10K and made 20K back, would you keep running it? The answer is probably yes. So this is exactly what the strategy is to find winning products and find winning ads. So let's just click on this dog thing, by the way. Let's see. So number one, Minea is connected to Zendrop. You guys all know Zendrop, the best platform for fulfilling. You can go ahead and find the product there, and it's already integrated here. But look, so this one has 53,000 likes. That's a lot of likes. That's a lot of money of ads. And money and profits, I guess, too. You can see on Minea, it tells you that it's still running, and it's been running for 4 months. So like I said, would you keep running something if it didn't work? The answer is no. And Minea basically tells you that this is working for this person. So this is the competitor here. Well, I mean, I'm not the competitor. I'm not selling any product like this, but this is a website. So you can see exactly what they're doing. You could literally build a similar website. Super easy, super straightforward. By the way, if you guys want me to help you build a website, a dropshipping store, and literally set up everything, set up your Shopify, set up your Zendrop, then just go on my Instagram at kevinfinance_ and DM me the word store, and I will help you step by step to get rolling. So if we keep going here, you can see that the engagement is good. This blue trend over here is the likes, and then if you click on see more, you'll actually see more details, like where the ad is running, to who it's running, what age demographic. So we'll go here and we'll check that out. So it's running to the US, Colombia, Canada, and then the Netherlands, and it's running to 100% of people between the ages of 10 to 20. So most likely they're running this ad for people between the ages of 18 to 20, because these are the people who are actually buying the product. You can't buy anything if you're 10, you don't have a credit card. And then you can see right here that it is 79% male and 20% female. So that's who they're targeting. The males are buying this more, or at least they think they are. So they're running the ads to them. And then you can go and see literally every single ad that they're running right now. Like, it's kind of a breach of privacy if you ask me, but it is what it is. Who cares? We're here to make money. And that's what Minea cares about. You're right. They're selling you a product and they want you to make money. That's why people pay for this. So obviously there's a free trial. Go and try it for free. But once you want to level up, you got to pay for it. And we'll go over the pricing at the end of the video. So you can see right here that they're running this ad, this ad, this ad. And then you can see that they're running Facebook ads. So the Facebook ads might be different than TikTok. And then you can see TikTok as well. So they just started some new campaigns. You can see these are brand new 000. And then this one has been going on for 1 month with already 58 million views. So you can tell that this has been working for them. Like, they're making a lot of money. Again, you don't run something if it does not work, especially not the 58 million viewers. You're not going to do that. Like, that costs a lot of money. So this is definitely a winning product, and Minea showed it to us, and I'd never seen this product before, but within literally, I don't know how long this video is, but 5 minutes, I already found a winning product and something I could literally copy and have the product here as well. So the next step would basically be to go to Zendrop and get this set up. But again, guys, if you want me to help you, just go on my Instagram at kevinfinance_, and I will literally help you build your store step by step. So basically what we just did was reverse engineer. We found winning ads, a winning ad creative, and then we found the product based on that. But you can go the other way around too and find the product first and then go and find the winning ads. And if you find your own product and you want to go and check it, you can use Minea for that too. Let's say you found a cat brush and you wanted to see winning ads for that, then boom, you can do that with Minea as well. And you can literally spy on all of the competition. Breach of privacy, who cares? It is what it is. It's e-commerce. That's how it is. It's a cutthroat industry. So basically you can click on browse products here, and then from this section you can literally search whatever you want. So click on this to see if they're drop shipping. Apply. We're drop shipping, so we want to make sure that the people we're trying to compete with are drop shipping too. And then you can do whatever you want. Let's say you wanted to change it to a specific continent, so let's say Europe. Boom. So now we're going to find products that are being drop shipped to Europe, and then you can do other stuff. Let's say a winning product, like really whatever you want. You can go ahead and just copy this, and then boom, you find winning products. These are all winning products. Like, they've already determined all this for us. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. It's pretty straightforward. So there's also an influence section that shows you some more stuff. There's a magic search. I can go over this in another video, but basically the point of this video is to tell you, is this worth it or not? Is it worth to get started with Minea? And in my opinion, I've used a couple of other platforms, and this is definitely one of the best ones on the market right now. They've just launched a new version right now too, so it's better than V1. So they've improved on a lot of things. Plus, you can get started for free. Like, you don't have to put any money into this. Just get started. The link is down below. And I have a discount for you guys down below if you guys want to go ahead and use that. But the start is $49 a month. Premium is $99, and there's a business at $3.99. If you're just starting, just do $49 a month. Worst case, if you don't like it for whatever reason, then just cancel it, but I'm sure you'll like it. And the difference between all of them are shown right here. So to answer the $1 million question, is Minea worth it or not? And in my opinion, yes, it's definitely worth it. For $49 a month or whatever plan you get to see all of this stuff. You get to see exactly what other people are doing, what their sales are looking like. So yes, this is definitely worth it. I would 100% recommend this. And again, click the link down below.